It's my special day today. Mga guys, yan ang regalo ni Sir at Madam sa akin. Yan. Thank you so much. Saka ito yung sa mga alaga ko guys. Yan. Napaka-saya niya dahil tinuring kanilang parang pamilya. Every birthday ko guys, at saka may occasion, may pa-flowers sila. Yan guys, naalala nila lagi ang special na araw. Yan guys, tsaka ito guys. Hulaan nyo guys kung magkano yung laman nito guys. Okay, thanks for watching guys.